So what's up? It is Barbara Serena and I am back. We are gonna go vacuum my car and then we're gonna go to the gym. So yeah, I got ab days today and I might show you some of my ab routine, I guess you could say. But yeah. What's up guys, I just got done vacuuming my car. I didn't really show a lot because I don't know, I was just trying to get it done quickly so I can go to the gym. This is what I'm wearing. I have a bra or a sports bra underneath, so yeah, I might need to redo my hair, but I'm gonna just stay in the car for a little bit because it's hella hot outside. It's like 88 degrees. And it sucks, bro. This would be good to go swimming, but honestly, I haven't gone swimming in a long time. Let me show you guys something. It's 88 degrees, guys. Oh my gosh. And then also, recently I put on these ambient light strips. So at nighttime, and then I got a new shifter. If I can tell, it's just like pinky and purplish, but it's like kind of looks like a two-tone, not purple, but it's not, just pink and purple. And then this little cute little hoodie thing. And yeah, but then I got those from Hobby Lobby. I will be putting new parts on my car soon. I am planning on getting new parts soon. So yeah, I want a duckbill carbon fiber spoiler, like rear spoiler, so bad, guys. So I've been trying to look into getting one of those. Hopefully it's good quality. I hope so. If not, it's okay. We can always just take it off. I mean, even though it will probably be a bitch. I don't know, guys. If you guys have a BRZ, or like say y'all are following me because y'all own one, like what modifications did y'all do to put on y'all's car? Because I want to know. And let me know in the comments down below if you guys do own one. I mean, they're honestly not really that expensive, to be honest. A lot of people think these cars are like expensive. They're really not. They just look expensive. But if you guys want an affordable beginner's sport car, I would say this would be a really good sport car beginner to get, because yeah, I just think it's just better. Probably the Subaru BRZ, not the, unless you want a fishtail, then get the like you're more experienced, I would say get the GR86, the ones or the Scion FRS. Those fishtail are very fishtaily, but as a beginner, like teenager or whatever, or a beginner like sport car driver, get a like Subaru BRZ because their suspensions are more stable. I like this car a lot. I would say I want to do a kind of video of 5 things I like about my car and 5 things I hate about my car. So I don't know if I should do that in my next video. I might have to do that at like a park or something. or somewhere, like just, I don't know, somewhere at a park, I don't know, or here maybe. There's not a lot of people one day. I kind of want the 3-channel, you know, like the dash cams where it's like 3 channels up in the front. And I was thinking about moving this dash camera in the back. I mean, the dash camera is okay, but I want like a 3 camera because I kind of want like, well, it's not really 3 camera. It was just more like, I think 2 channels. It's just like one in the front and then one facing back this way. So that way when you're driving, because I do want to make more videos of me driving and stuff, and just things that you guys see out on the road, like the goofy stuff that other people do when they drive. See you guys in the gym and do my ab workout. Okay guys, so I am back from the gym, and yeah guys, if you guys like this vlog, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.